5 Best 3D Printing Materials. Here is the product number 5. Aveibee filament materials for 3D printing. Brand name, Aveibee. Size, 10 meters. Form, solid. Material, PLA. Extrusion mode, fused deposition modeling, melting. Formation, 3D printing materials. Here is the product number 4. 3D Pen Plastic ABS Filament. Molding materials for 3D printer. Material, ABS. Color, as the picture. Filament diameter, 1.75 millimeters. ABS print temperature range, 210 to 250 degrees Celsius. Suitable for makeup, reprap, Mendel and other commonly used models. Here is the product number 3. SunDcreate 3D Pen Filament. Brand name, SunDcreate. Form, solid. Size, 5 meter. Material, PLA. Length, 5 meters. Color, random color. Here is the product number 2. 3D Printer Filament. 100% brand new and high quality. The filament is for 3D printing pen used to melt plastic at a high temperature. Used to draw 3D objects from the paper to real life. Material, ABS or PLA. Diameter 1.75 millimeters. Randomly delivery. Here is the product number 1. 3D printer modeling Stereoscopic. 100% brand new and high quality. The filament is for 3D printing pen used to melt plastic at a high temperature. Used to draw 3D objects from the paper to real life. Material, ABS. Diameter 1.75 millimeters. Quantity, 10 meters, bag 1 bag. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.